Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kat, and if you're not, welcome back. So my loves, for today's video, sorry if I keep looking at that side, I'm still using my camera, getting used to it, but anyway. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a, oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'll be doing a double Chanel unboxing. So this literally happened today. It is currently 9:30 p.m, hence why I have this set up and the lighting's bad. I know, I'm really sorry, but yeah, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So got a little cute little card. Obviously it's got nothing in it. Obviously there's the receipt and everything in here. Anyways, so the camellia fell off the little box. So there is the first item. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Guys, this was a very impulsive purchase. Anyways, yeah, sorry, that's inside the box. As you can see, it says Chanel in the little dust bag, and it comes with the little care booklet here. And inside the dust bag, to reveal, yep, so this is the zip coin purse, I believe, in the Caviar with the silver hardware. I really wanted it in the gold hardware, but I think the only available one was lambskin. I really didn't want to get lambskin, so this is the newer one where it has the slip at the back for, I guess, your most, you know, used card. And inside it does have the Chanel little authenticity card as always, still with the small leather goods. It has 1, 2, 3 compartments, and mine is made in Spain. You guys can see that. There she is. I have the card holder in the blue. You can see this is just the snap one and this is just the black. So yeah, I have two now. They both have silver hardware, but that's okay. So I was literally gonna buy this like get a personal shopper to source it for me, but lately a lot of the personal shoppers, obviously with their fees and stuff, it's over $1,000. So to buy it new from the Australian Chanel store is, I think, $880, so you're saving a good $200 plus money. So if you can find it in store, I definitely would say wait it out. But if you really want it and you can't find the one that you're looking for, definitely go ahead and source it through a personal shopper or a reseller, but obviously you're going to be paying a premium. So that's that one in the black Caviar. And that is the code. So 31 series. Sorry, my nails are absolutely disgusting. But yeah, I'm super stoked with this. Still has a sticker on the front. And yeah. Moving on to the bigger item. Oh my god, guys. Seriously. Here is the big box. Yes, so I was really on the hunt for this item. I actually did purchase it pre-loved, but the condition of the one that I purchased, I just wasn't happy with, so I'm currently selling that one at the moment. But funnily enough, I don't know if this happens with you guys, but like, I swear once I'm looking for something and I find that's really hard to get. I just bite the bullet and just settle for something that I'm not 100% happy with, and then literally a few days or weeks later I get contacted by my SA that a new one is in store. So that pretty much happened with this. So I'm currently selling one at the moment, but this is that. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. This oh my god, I'm so happy that I actually have it brand new. There's a magnetic opening. It's on this side here, I think. No, this side. Oh my god, sorry. Okay. Oh, just look at that. Just hold it open. So there's the dust bag. So it's inside the dust bag. Inside is obviously the little instruction, like the 5 care tips by Chanel leather goods little booklet, and the cleaning mitt and everything. So that is all included in the box. So basically here is the dust bag. It is not a classic, as you guys know. Oh my gosh. You guys probably will have an idea of what she is. Okay, to reveal to you. Oh my gosh. The Gabrielle Backpack. They didn't have the little leather protector at the bottom. That's a bit weird. Oh my god. The Gabrielle Backpack in black, in the small size, and she is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is her. Oh my god. Fresh from the store, and she does actually have the microchip inside as well. Wow, she is beautiful, 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 beautiful. So this one here is new from the store. It's 6,680 Australian dollars if you are to find it in store. But yeah, I'm so excited. Here's a strap. So as you know, with the Gabrielle Backpack, it does have the 4 different hardwares in the actual strap, and it's literally just a whole, like a bucket bag. So inside, she was nice enough to have it stuffed. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my newest Chanel unboxing. Oh, she's absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy my quick little unboxing of my new Chanel items. I will definitely do a more in-depth review on the backpack and wallet if you would like me to. I'm definitely going to use it for a bit to, you know, gauge if I love it. I'm going to compare it with my Palm Springs Mini as well. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick impromptu video. I just really was excited to use it. I didn't want to wait for like a bright day to film because I just wanted to use it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!